So I've collected a little bit of every kind of metal that I could find in my house, and today we're going to see which scratches are permanent on the back of the regular iPhone 17, and which scratches can be wiped away. Purely for science, of course, and your peace of mind, because knowledge is power. I have a scrap of bare aluminum, similar to the frame of the iPhone 17. I also have a tube of titanium hanging around, as people often do. My grandpa Jerry gave me this silver dollar, so we'll see how some precious metals react to the back. This thing is about 90% pure silver, as well as 2 tiny gold 1/10 of an ounce gold equal coins. Same thing with these coins, they're an alloy with about 91% gold, so it's not technically pure, but we can still see what happens anyway. Starting of course with the screen. We'll see if the same magical Ceramic Shield 2 behaves as it did on the Air and the iPhone 17 Pro. Third time's the charm, and if this regular 17 also resists the normal scratches at a level 6 with deeper grooves at a level 7, then Corning needs to win some kind of Nobel Prize or something. I've been scratching phones for a decade, and I've never seen anything like it. I mean, look for yourself. There is a slight smear at a level 6, and maybe a smudge at level 7, but there's no abrasions on the glass, and Corning has done something really special here. Laws of physics have apparently been broken. The glass itself will still break when you drop it, obviously, since glass is glass, but it is indeed, like Apple said, far more resilient to scratching this year. The front-facing camera and dynamic island is also tucked under the same slab of glass. It's their center stage square sensor, and hopefully we can get a better look at that during the teardown. The earpiece slit is razor thin and contains the upper stereo speaker. We still have the camera control button here on the side, and if this phone does snap in half during the bin test, it'll probably be right here where the material was removed for this button that nobody uses. The iPhone 17 does not have removable buttons like the recent Google and Samsung phones do, and we do see plastic antenna lines along the edge of the frame, where signal is allowed to escape outside the phone. Without these antenna lines, the iPhone 17 would essentially become a Faraday cage, trapping all the signals inside. The left side of the phone has 3 more non-removable buttons and a whole lot more anodized aluminum. There's 1 more antenna line down at the bottom, along with our USB-C port that can charge up to 50% in about 20 minutes, along with the lower stereo loudspeaker, which the new iPhone Air does not have. We also have some IP68 waterproofing metal mesh over the speaker and microphone openings. And you might be like, hey Jerry, the orange iPhone 17 Pro does not have as much glass on the back. So how does it allow its signals and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to escape from the metal housing? And I'm glad you asked. Snuggled right up to the vertical sides of the camera plateau is a large long antenna line that circles the whole camera visor, letting the signal flow